Welcome back to the channel. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, I'm actually going to be making a gift for two of the people that work for me at my day job. So let's get into it. Little context, I had two people reach major career milestones, one for 35 years of service and one for 30 years of service, which is a really long time and a massive accomplishment. So we've already kind of done a celebration at work, but I wanted to give them something a little bit more personalized that I could make myself. And the thought occurred to me, do a challenge coin. So I'm going to engrave a coin for both of them with their years of service as well as the design on the front. This is a pretty quick project. I wanted to do something special for them that they can't go out and get anywhere. So I've got the coins. They are like this one. They're actually out by the laser already. I will show you the design real quick, but I am going to leave a couple things out of it from the final version. Let's hop over to the computer and I'll show you what it looks like. I am going to add the company name, but general idea of the aerospace company. And then for the years of service, it's going to have how many years they're celebrating as well as their full name. Again, I'm leaving that off of here. So that's what it's going to look like. Let's go ahead, get them over to the laser, engrave them, and see how they turn out. I have finished engraving the coins. I am going to blur some things out, but let me show you what it looks like. Here is the front. Try to have some little accent lines in the plane. Here is the back showing years of service as well as their name. Overall, turned out really well. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. Be sure to check out my other social media at Maker Experiment. But I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.